Hi Milton Drivers, Jeff Robinson, Vice President of Maintenance. I have a couple more topics I want to talk about on this week's video. Let's start out with when you come into Tulsa and the inspection lane is open, and normally the inspection building is open between 7 in the morning and like 11 o'clock at night, Monday through Friday, and then it's open during the day on Saturday. Well, you will notice that there is a gate now that closes access where you cannot go around the inspection bay. We need everybody to go through the inspection bay, get a quick inspection done on the tractor and trailer, so we can catch repairs that need to be done here and try to save repairs being done on the road. Because what we are finding is not only is it much more expensive to get repairs done on the road, you incur a lot more downtime there while you're out there. If we can find some repairs done in Tulsa, my place is open from like 7 in the morning till midnight. We can get that truck in and out, generally get you out the next day. Or if we find something that's going to take a long time, we can move you into a temporary truck. We have options is what I'm trying to say here in Tulsa. We can take care of business. However, if you forego and don't want to go through the inspection bay in Tulsa and even in Laredo, if you don't want to do that, the problem is when you have repairs and they're done in like Denver, you're going to be there for days and days and days before stuff finally gets taken care of. Cost you money, cost the company money, you get aggravated, you think your truck has problems. So there's a whole list of things of why it's best to get the repairs done in Tulsa or Laredo or at one of the maintenance facilities here. So please, I ask you guys, run through the inspection bay. If you just did a week ago and we can go into the system and verify it, we'll probably just flag you out there. We won't even take the time. We won't even write up a ticket. You're done. You're just out of here and good to go. But let's check the trailer. There might be some things wrong with that trailer we can take care of. So anyway, please, when you come to Tulsa, you'll see the gate closed. Run through the inspection bay. Make sure and tell the inspector what's going on. We'll get you up and going. We'll get you going quick. Number two is idle time. I know it's getting that time of year, and it's hotter than Dickens out there right now. It's horribly hot. Please try to shut that truck off. If you don't have an APU, shut that truck off just for an hour or two a day. While you go in and eat, or you fuel, or you're here at the terminal and you're going into the main building, taking care of laundry, whatever you got to do. Shut the truck off. There's no point in running that truck all that time. It causes a lot of problems with sensors and DPF filters being plugged up. All the check engine lights that you guys hate to see, a lot of it is idle time driven. So please shut the truck off as much as you can. We don't want you to sweat. We don't want you to be uncomfortable. I want you to run that truck at night to stay cool and get a good night's rest. That's fine. But when you have the opportunity, please shut it off. A couple hours a day makes a huge difference on everything. And another one, I saw a Facebook post. It showed one of our flatbed trailers with side skirts on it. Well, out of 2,400 trailers, we've got one out there, and we did it as a test to see if it would make any difference and all that kind of stuff. It did okay, but we're not going to put them on the fleet. It was merely a test. So the next time that trailer runs through Tulsa or Laredo, those side skirts are coming off. So it's just something we've been trying to try. We've been working with a company and had a set manufactured. They did okay, but they're not going to save us a huge amount of money on fuel and all that kind of good stuff. So please just remember three things. When you come to Tulsa, go through the inspection bay. When you're in Laredo, go through the inspection bay. There you have to. And tell us what's going on with your truck. We want to get it fixed. We want to get it fixed at our time, in our facilities. It saves money and it saves time and it saves you guys a lot of grief and trouble. And idle time. We don't want you to stay hot and get sweaty and all that kind of stuff, but shut the truck off when you can for as long as you can. It makes a huge difference. So that's all I've got this week. If you guys have any questions, give us a holler. Drive safe and be careful. Thanks.